There is absolutely zero scientific evidence for us being on a spinning ball flying through a sky vacuum. None. Now, we have been taught at a very early age what the scientific method was. 5th grade, we all learn what the scientific method was. Now, for most of us, that's so far in our past that we don't really remember what we were taught or what the method actually entails, but we do remember that it was an empirical method because we were taught it as such. So this empirical method proves things, and that's very powerful if you're going to use a magic trick of asserting that you've got science when really you've just got a made-up story or a mathematical explanation for a reified model. If you say the word science and imply that people who are challenging you are science deniers, that will go over quite strongly in an audience member or a member of the general public when they hear it. Oh, the flat earth is just denying science, because Neil deGrasse Tyson and Brian Cox, astrophysicists who offer absolutely no scientific hypotheses whatsoever, are in their opinion science, and they're not. Science, on the other hand, is a method of establishing the cause of an effect. Well, cause and effect reasoning, the scientific method, is proven through experimentation. Well, in the case of astrophysicists and cosmologists, all they're doing is offering up just so stories. They have plenty of phenomena to study. That would be dependent variables, naturally occurring phenomena, lights in the sky, things happening, that they could postulate a cause for. But they don't, because they have no way of actually varying and manipulating that which they assume causes these effects. So they just come up with a just so story and punt it as science. Now, there's an actual definition for what that becomes. If you are punting a just so story and calling it science when there has been no adherence to the scientific method, the actual term for that is pseudoscience, which is precisely what the globe offers. There is no scientific evidence, no cause and effect reasoning backed by hypothesis-based experimentation. That does not exist for the heliocentric model. Nor is there any theory, because scientific theory is based on validated experimentation. What they do is they take the colloquial theory, that would be a Mystic Meg theory, Nostradamus theory, and call it science. Well, this is our theory. Because people hear the word theory and think, oh, well, that's science. No, because a scientific theory is based on validated experimentation, something they don't have anything for when it comes to proving the globe. They have maths, they have models, they have their colloquial theory, which is just so stories, and that's all they have.